Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Gmail app. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Gmail. Then having opened up your Gmail, next thing you need to do is to click on the profile icon. Then click on manage your Google account. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on password manager. Then here we go. You will have all the password that you have been saved so far in your Gmail account right here. And for you to view any of the password right here, what you need to do, let's for instance, I want to fill this alibaba.com password. I'll click on the app name, then I will enter my security password. Then here we go. Then I have access back to my password right here. So if you want to view any of the password, just click on the eye icon, then you will see your password back without any stress. Then you can use the method to get to all password that you have saved so far into your Gmail account. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.